Feeling sluggish, bloated, or just not quite yourself? What if the secret to a happier, healthier gut was bubbling away in the latest soda trend? Today, let's crack open the truth behind prebiotic sodas and discover how they may revolutionize our digestive wellness. Intrigued? Stay tuned! Our gut is much more than just a food processor. It's a powerful control center for our energy, immunity, mood, and even long-term health. But millions struggle with gut issues daily. That's why gut-friendly drinks are becoming the hottest trend on shelves. Ever wonder why? Let's keep it simple. Prebiotics are special types of fiber, plant-based, non-digestible ingredients that serve as food for the good bacteria in our digestive system. Think of them as fertilizer for your gut garden. The reign of traditional sugary sodas is on the decline. For decades, these drinks dominated the beverage aisle, but a new era of health-conscious consumerism has shifted the landscape. We've become acutely aware of the pitfalls of excessive sugar and artificial ingredients, leading to a collective search for better-for-you alternatives. Enter the prebiotic soda. It's not just another sparkling water, it's a functional beverage designed to be both delicious and beneficial. These drinks promise the fizzy satisfaction of a classic soda without the guilt, offering a flavorful, low-sugar experience that works with your body. So what's the science inside these colorful cans? The secret lies in prebiotics. Unlike probiotics, which are live beneficial bacteria, prebiotics are specific plant fibers your body can't digest. Instead, they travel to your gut to act as a feast for your good microbes. Leading brands like Olipop and Poppi use powerful prebiotic sources such as chicory root, Jerusalem artichoke, and cassava root. These are rich in inulin, a fiber that nourishes beneficial bacteria like bifidobacteria. By feeding these good guys, you help them thrive, which supports a balanced gut microbiome. This is crucial because a healthy gut is linked to everything from improved digestion and a stronger immune system to even better mood. Some brands also add apple cider vinegar, creating a truly multifunctional drink. But what's really fueling this explosive trend? It's a fundamental shift in what we expect from our beverages. We're no longer content with drinks that simply quench thirst. We want them to do something for us. This is the rise of the functional beverage. Prebiotic sodas perfectly capture this zeitgeist. They're also masters of marketing. With vibrant, Instagram-worthy packaging and a massive social media presence, brands have cultivated an image of wellness that is both aspirational and accessible. When you see an influencer sipping a Poppi, it's not just a drink, it's a lifestyle statement. This combination of genuine health benefits, savvy branding, and a consumer base hungry for smarter choices has created the perfect storm, turning the humble soda into a daily wellness ritual. Scientific research and dietitians agree. Prebiotic sodas may help improve digestion, reduce constipation, support immune function, balance cholesterol, and even boost mood. While more studies are needed, users report feeling fuller and more regular. Imagine experiencing less bloating just by swapping your soda. Let's get real. A can of standard soda may contain 35 to 40 g sugar. Prebiotic soda, as little as 2 to 5 g. The difference is huge. Plus, you'll find prebiotic sodas use natural sweeteners and functional ingredients, quite possibly reducing the risk of chronic diseases. But remember, moderation matters. Ready to make your own gut-friendly soda? Ditching store-bought sugar-laden drinks is one of the best things you can do for your health. With these simple recipes, you can create delicious, sparkling beverages that not only taste amazing but actively support your digestive wellness. We're going to harness the power of prebiotics, the special fibers that act as fuel for the beneficial probiotic bacteria in your gut. A happy microbiome means better digestion, a stronger immune system, and even improved mood. Let's get started with our first recipe, a true crowd pleaser. First up, the Strawberry Vanilla Dream Soda. This recipe is a perfect balance of fruity sweetness and comforting warmth. For this, you'll need a handful of fresh strawberries, the seeds from half a vanilla bean or a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a teaspoon of raw honey, and your prebiotic of choice. We're using inulin powder. Start by muddling about 5 ripe strawberries in the bottom of your glass. You want to break them down to release all their juices and flavor. Strawberries are also packed with polyphenols, which your gut microbes love. Now add your vanilla, a squeeze of lemon to brighten the flavors, and your honey. Next, the gut-healthy hero. Add 1 teaspoon of inulin powder. It's crucial to stir this in now, before adding the fizz, to ensure it dissolves completely. Remember to start with a small amount of prebiotic fiber if you're new to it, to allow your system to adjust. Finally, top it all off with chilled, sparkling water. Give it a gentle stir to combine, and enjoy this beautiful, functional beverage. Recipe number 2 is the ginger lime gut zinger. This one has a spicy kick and is fantastic for digestion. You'll need about an inch of fresh ginger, the juice of half a lime, a teaspoon of maple syrup, and this time we'll use chicory root powder as our prebiotic. First, you need to juice your ginger. If you don't have a juicer, no problem. Just finely grate the ginger and squeeze the pulp in a cheesecloth or your hand to extract that potent juice. Ginger is a carminative, meaning it helps prevent gas and soothes the digestive tract. Combine the ginger juice, fresh lime juice, maple syrup, and your chicory root powder in a glass. Stir well. This brings us to a common myth that all fizzy drinks are unhealthy. That's simply not true. When you control the ingredients, you're creating a drink that's actively beneficial, unlike commercial sodas loaded with high fructose corn syrup and artificial additives. Top with carbonated water, garnish with a lime wheel, and feel that zesty, gut-soothing goodness. Our third recipe is a more adventurous and sophisticated flavor, the cherry sage elixir. The combination of sweet cherries and earthy sage is surprisingly delicious and incredibly refreshing. For this, you'll need a half cup of pitted tart cherries, 2 to 3 fresh sage leaves, honey to taste, inulin powder, and seltzer. In a blender, combine the cherries, which are full of antioxidants called anthocyanins, the sage leaves, a drizzle of honey, and your inulin. Add just a splash of the seltzer to help it blend and blitz until completely smooth. Sage has been used for centuries to aid digestion and adds a wonderful aromatic quality. Pour this beautiful puree into a glass over ice and top with more seltzer to your desired fizziness. We've heard from so many of you who love this unique combination. One viewer told us, "I never would have thought to put sage in a drink, but it's my new favorite. It feels so refreshing and sophisticated." And for our final recipe, we have a blueberry mint refresher. This is the perfect afternoon pick-me-up. You'll need a handful of blueberries, a few fresh mint leaves, a squeeze of lime, your prebiotic powder, and sparkling water. Gently muddle the blueberries and mint in your glass. You don't want to pulverize the mint, just bruise it slightly to release its aromatic oils. Blueberries provide a dose of brain-boosting antioxidants, while mint is known to ease indigestion and improve focus. Add your lime juice and prebiotic powder and give it a stir. Top with sparkling water and garnish with a fresh mint sprig. This is a fantastic way to rehydrate and refuel your gut microbiome, helping you power through the rest of your day, feeling energized and clear-headed. For extra gut health, mix up your fiber sources, fruits, veggies, legumes, whole grains, hydrate and avoid excessive caffeine, limit highly processed foods. These simple changes alongside prebiotic drinks help sustain a healthy microbiome. Isn't your gut worth a little TLC? Myth: all fiber is the same. Fact: prebiotics are a type of fiber, but not all fiber feeds gut bacteria. Mistake: drinking 10 prebiotic sodas a day. Your gut loves variety, so balance your diet and don't go overboard on any one thing. So there you have it. Making your own prebiotic sodas is so much more than just a fun kitchen project. It's a powerful and delicious step towards revolutionizing your gut health. Throughout this guide, we've explored the fascinating science of how these drinks work, feeding the trillions of beneficial bacteria in your microbiome with essential prebiotics. And remember, a happy gut isn't just about achieving smooth digestion, it's fundamentally linked to a stronger immune system, the clarity of your skin, and even a more balanced, positive mood. By consciously nourishing your gut flora, you're sending positive ripples of wellness throughout your entire body. The most empowering part is that you are in complete control. Say goodbye to hidden sugars, artificial sweeteners, and unpronounceable ingredients. You get to be the creator, choosing the fresh, vibrant fruits and wholesome herbs that call to you. As you've seen, the process is surprisingly simple and incredibly rewarding. It's about creating a sustainable ritual of self-care that tastes as good as it feels. I absolutely love hearing from viewers who've made this a daily routine, telling me they feel more energized and less bloated. Now, the exciting part is deciding where to begin. Will you start with the zesty, invigorating ginger lime zinger, perfect for a morning boost? Or perhaps the calming, aromatic lavender blueberry dream is more your speed for winding down in the evening? Maybe you're already dreaming up your own unique flavor combinations. That's the true beauty of this process. It's endlessly customizable to your tastes and needs. Whatever you decide, I would love to hear about it. Drop a comment below and let me know which recipe you're trying first, or share your own creative flavor ideas to inspire our wonderful community. If this guide has empowered you on your health journey, please consider supporting the channel. Hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell ensures you won't miss our upcoming deep dives.